Welcome to Tiny Hands Art.
Yay!
Hi everyone! Today we're going to draw a cute little sailing boat on the water with a sunny sky and fluffy clouds. So grab your colors and let's get started.
Yay!
First, I draw a simple outline for the outside of the boat. Then I draw the deck and the bow.
Okay.
Next, I add the mainsail and the jib, which are the boat's sails. I also draw a little boat flag at the top. Then I sketch the waterline below the boat. And finally, I draw a cute sun and a fluffy cloud in the sky.
Yes!
So cute! Yeah! Yeah!
Now it's time to color.
Oh,
Hi!
First, I use maroon for the deck and bow.
oh,
Then I color the mainsail with light green and the jib with yellow.
So cute!
hey,
Ciao, ciao!
The boat flag is colored in red.
Whoa!
For the sun, I use red and light orange.
oh,
Then I use a deep blue to fill the background sky.
oh, hey,
So cute! Ciao, ciao!
Yep. Whoa! Yay! Oh yeah.
I color the waterline using light blue.
Yeah.
And finally, I use a black marker to outline everything and make the drawing look nice and sharp. And it's done! If you like this drawing, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tiny Hands Art. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!